I'm Dr. Fiona Murphy, and I'm a new lecturer who's recently joined the University of Strathclyde. I've joined the Strathclyde Institute of Pharmacy and Biomedical Sciences. I previously worked at Heriot-Watt University, where I spent a few years doing some postdocs, and I obtained my PhD originally from the University of Edinburgh. So my research background is focused on looking at the potential inhalation hazards posed by inhaled particles, and with quite a strong focus on nanomaterials. So these are materials that have at least one dimension less than 100 nanometers, which is about 100 the thickness of a human hair. So I'm interested in looking at what the potential hazard effects might be if people are exposed to these materials in the air. My research specifically, I'm interested in trying to develop lab-based models known as in vitro systems that we can use so we don't have to rely so much on animal models for doing our toxicity testing. So we really need to generate more sophisticated models than what we currently use. So at the moment, we use very simple systems of growing largely just single cell types in plastic dishes in the lab. But to better replicate what might be happening in a real life exposure situation, we can look at kind of developing more novel and exciting models that incorporate different bioengineering solutions as well. So can we mimic the tissue structure by generating 3D models and having different cell types growing alongside each other, and also potentially look at incorporating microfluidic systems to mimic a blood flow system as well. So the more we can closely replicate the environment that we see within a body, we're hoping the more predictive these models will be when we're trying to decipher whether a material might be toxic or not.